Okay, this is DailyChilli. I'm here in Nanjing Road station, Nanjing West station. I'm going to meet someone. Today I'm gonna talk about my insight about Europe and especially about the cryptocurrencies. And actually it's one of the topics I mentioned before my trip, and I also did a research, meet a couple of people talking about cryptocurrencies for digital nomads. And so yeah, in general you can use it in Europe. I saw some cash machines, but at the end I did use it only once with one of my relatives in Switzerland. So basically I pay him in bitcoins, and he just lent me the money. So in that case I didn't have to exchange any currency. So yeah, that's my insight for this daily post. So from here, from Shanghai, in front of the largest Starbucks in the world. That's what they say, I don't know. And it's a bit foggy also. As you can see, the sky is super foggy. Okay, so today's password for my daily post is cryptocurrencies. Okay, see you guys. Bye.